We took chicken, we cooked it in gravy, and we put it over egg noodles every day. Cooking, Dad, cook it every day. All right, guys, welcome in, welcome back. Today we're doing a quick and easy stewed chicken. This is definitely a weeknight type of meal. So we have our chicken. I seasoned these up this morning. I used the Kinder's salt, pepper, garlic blend, and I also used this complete seasoning. Both of those you could get out of Costco. We got our carrots, we got our garlic, we got celery, we got onions, and we got a little bit of bone broth. I got about a half a container of this left over in the refrigerator, and then we got our egg noodles. So let's get started. All right, guys. So we got our pan. It's heating up. I'm going in with some avocado oil, and we're just gonna brown the chicken real quick. You know, get a little foam on the bottom of this pan. All right, guys. Pan is getting nice and hot. Now, I'm gonna first do the thighs, and I left the skin on, but we're not gonna be eating the skin. Just want to get a little bit of that skin flavor in our broth. So I'm gonna go down with the thighs first. And then I got I de-skinned the chicken's legs. So guys, this is really a cheap, economic meal. You know, you thighs, hey, I got the 40s for $3, and the legs I had in the freezer. You know, so you know, when you're a little light on cash, this is a good meal. All right, guys. So the chicken is pretty much brown as far as I want it to go, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out of here, and we're gonna get the onions and stuff in. Now guys, I'm not doing too much to these onions, just going in the pan. Now let's go start celery. So we're just gonna let that go for a few minutes. Let me just cut these carrots up real quick. All right, so and we're gonna go with the carrots now. Let me just put this one long one in there. And we're just going to give everything a nice quick stir. So guys, this is definitely something that you want to have in your hip pocket, right? Next time you see some chicken thighs or some chicken legs on sale, you want to go ahead, grab that up, throw that in the freezer. So if you have a light or you need to make a quick meal up, you just pull up chicken wings out of the freezer, or chicken legs, or whatever it is you got out of the freezer, right? You can even season them before. You put them in the freezer, and then take them out, let them thaw out overnight, and then in the morning you can throw this in a crock pot, or you can do this when you get home, and you have chicken ready to go. So, and we're gonna go with our chicken broth, right? And we're gonna go ahead and get the fond off the bottom. And if I had to tell you, I would say that's probably about 1.5 cups. So let's go ahead and get some of that fond and stuff off the bottom of the pan. Guys, I'm only using this pan here because, you know, it holds a good amount of chicken and I have a top for it. I don't normally pull out this pan too much. It's a non-stick pan, and they say, you know, non-stick is not really good for you. But this is the only pan I have that has a top that can fit this kind of chicken in. So, and I'm gonna go with the chicken. And I think that's enough chicken for us for one night. Probably enough for lunch too. You know what? I have one more piece of chicken here, and I didn't brown it up. I'm gonna stick it in here anyway because I don't want to waste anything. And I think I could fit. No, I got to fit 2 more in here. I didn't brown them up. It's okay. It'll be fine. It's gonna be in gravy anyway. All right. So boom. Here we go. Now, with all that done, guys, all we're gonna do is turn this up a little bit. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in here. See this pot, this bowl with all the juices from the chicken? That's gonna get a little water. And that's gonna go into the pot. And I think that's nice. You see that it's about halfway up on the chicken. See, when you boil chicken, right, that's gonna be completely submerged in water. But if you're braising something really quick, you wanna be halfway up the chicken. So on we go with our top. And I guess at this point, I'm gonna go play some Madden. If you got little kids, you can go ahead and you can do some homework. But I'll see you guys in about 45 minutes or so. All right, guys, it's been like 5 minutes and I forgot to put the garlic in here. So it hasn't been too long. And we got our chicken on medium. We got it on medium heat. Let me just get the steam out of there so we don't steam the camera up. All right, so we're like on medium heat. I'm just gonna throw the garlic in. I wish I could have sauteed these down a little bit, but it's fine. We'll just put them in, get the flavor out of it. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to make sure that I got that garlic in there. Let me just get this around a little bit. All right, back on with the top. All right, guys, so it's been 45 minutes. So let's take a quick peek. Just don't want the steam to hit the camera. Okay. And let's just see what we got as far as temperature-wise. 200, guys. This is like right where I like chicken thighs. The high 90s, 200. So that's done. So this pan gets turned down all the way. And let's just see how much liquid we have left in there. And let's just see how much liquid we have left. Look at that. We got a nice gravy. Look at that. Guys, I'm just going to add a little bit of water in here just so we can have a little bit more gravy, and I'm going to pull these chicken skins out. All right, so I'm going to just go ahead and pull these chicken skins off. Nobody wants to eat that, right? These are going in the garbage. And let's just add a little bit more water. We need a lot more gravy. Right, because I want to take some of this for lunch. All right, so we just added a little bit of water. Make sure nothing's sticking on the bottom. Looks like we got some stuff sticking. Get this gravy going. All right, so I'm going to let this simmer so we can get a little bit more gravy going. And that's it, guys. And if I have to, I'll make a slurry to thicken this up a little bit, but I don't think we're going to have to do that. Guys, look, and this chicken is falling apart. It's ready to come apart. Look at that. It's going to be so good. All right, we'll be back as soon as the egg noodles are ready. All right, guys, so it's been about 5 minutes, 10 minutes or so. And, hold on, I think I may have hit it. All right, so it's been like 5-10 minutes. Just get the steam to go away. Our chicken is done. Our noodles are done. Let's just take a look at this gravy real quick. What did I do with my spoon? It's in the sink. Hold on. All right, guys, so our chicken is done. Our noodles are done. Let's give our gravy a quick taste in case we need to add anything to it. It's perfect just the way it is. Probably could use a touch of salt, but I'm going to save that for my own personal plate. And I'm going to move you guys over to the cutting board. All right, guys, so let's plate this up. We got our noodles. And I'm going to go ahead and hit this with some butter. Just add another little dimension, layer of flavor. Now I'm just going to go ahead and hit this with just a little bit of this salt pepper blend. Not too much, right? Ever so little. Just want to, no more than that. And now we're going to go in with our chicken, a thigh. And I'm gonna have a leg. How about another leg? Yeah, sure, why not, right? Another leg. Then we're gonna go in with some carrots. All right, so we got the carrots. Let's go in with some green onions, right? Get a little crunch going, right? Makes the thumbnail look a little bit better. Not too much, right? Just a little bit, just to kind of wake up a little bit of the flavors in there. All right, that's it. That's it. We're done. All right, if you guys are still here at this point, I'm just going to consider you family, and you guys might as well like and subscribe so y'all can catch the next videos. Thanks for watching. You know what's next. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes, and let's get cooking.